I think we're not lazy. It's just a tag, something to label someone with. The truth is, I will do it tomorrow. We only say this when we don't have a clear vision, when we haven't given our brain a vision of something. That's why our brain can very easily tell us, let's do it tomorrow, because it doesn't even know why we want to do this work. And I believe that when your brain clearly knows why we're doing something, what our clear vision is, what our aim is, then it never says we will do it tomorrow. Let me give you my own example. I'm from a lower middle class background. I have no savings. I quit my job just because I wanted financial freedom. So I decided to do YouTube because it's the only platform in the whole world that starts without any financial investment. I work really hard. I think of ideas, I write scripts, I do voiceovers, then editing. It takes a lot of effort. Many times I get tired when the views don't come. Many times the thought comes to my mind, I'll do it tomorrow. But at that same moment, YouTube's returns and output also come to mind, which takes that thought away from me, that I'll do it tomorrow. I get back up. Then I keep working until my eyes start closing, roughly until 6 or 7 in the morning. The point I'm trying to make is this. When you don't set an aim or vision in your mind, when you don't keep its positive end output in your mind, then this thought coming to your mind that I'll do it tomorrow, it's a normal thing. We dream very big dreams, but in reality, we don't have the energy to fulfill them. But I believe everyone has energy. We just don't accelerate it. And what is acceleration? It's a vision. It's an aim. You think you'll start walking from tomorrow. You can't do it. You think you'll save money this month. You can't do it. Or you want to learn something new. You can't do it. I found the solution. Sometimes when there's work that creates laziness in you, think of its end vision in your mind. Keep it there. I'll build this kind of body. How fit I'll look. Whatever your inspiration is in bodybuilding, keep that in mind and think about how I'll look when I have that body. Bring those people to mind who you want to show it to. This mindset never gets old. This is human psychology. Think about what you want to do by saving money. When you're about to spend, send a message to your mind about what your dream is. Remind yourself of your aim. You need to understand one more thing, how your brain works. Your mind wants comfort. When any work seems big, it says this is difficult. Let's do it tomorrow. And tomorrow becomes tomorrow again. This is your brain's trick to keep you safe. But when your vision is clear, when you know why I'm doing this, then manipulating your brain becomes easy. Think about it. If you know that I'm walking so that in 6 months my body will be fit and I'll feel proud looking at myself in the mirror, then waking up in the morning becomes easier because that image is in your mind. That feeling is there. If you know that I'm saving money so I can start my business or give my family a better life, then every time you go to buy something unnecessary, your brain stops you because that end result is right in front of you. Vision gives your brain direction. Without direction, your brain just wanders randomly anywhere, and then laziness wins. Now I'll tell you some practical steps that will help you escape this I will do it tomorrow trap. First step, clarify your vision. Don't just think that I want to save money. Think why. What do you want to do with that money? Buy a house? Start a business? Give your family a good life? The clearer your vision is, the easier it will be to take action. Let me tell you a trick. Whenever this thought comes to your mind that I'll do it tomorrow, at that moment close your eyes for 2 minutes and think about your end goal. Visualize it. Feel that feeling you'll get when you reach your goal. When this becomes clear, you'll realize, not tomorrow, I need to do it now. Second step, make the work small. I believe that if we visualize our goals, then our work itself starts seeming smaller to us. It starts feeling easier to us. It feels like a trivial thing, but still, second step is make the work small. Because everything can't happen just because I believe it. Big work feels scary. That's why the brain says tomorrow. But if we make the work so small that it doesn't even seem difficult, then starting becomes very easy. You want to invest, but you're feeling overwhelmed? Then today just do this. Open a brokerage account. That's it. That's your first step. Tomorrow do market research. Day after, put in $10 for the first time. Small steps, but consistent. You want to get fit? Then today do 1 push-up. Just 1. Tomorrow 2. Day after 3. Start small, but start. Third step, awaken your will. Look, I want to say one thing clearly. Until a person has will, they can never start any difficult thing. What is will? It's that thing that says, I will do it. I can do it. It's that inner strength that lets you take big action. Take the example of a boxer. He goes into the ring knowing that his opponent's punch will come at 30 to 35 miles per hour speed. Why does he do it? Because he has will. He tells himself, I will. A stuntman who performs dangerous stunts, he performs his stunts through the power of will. You will become strong when your vision is strong. When you know why you're doing it, then your will automatically activates. Then you say, I will do it, no matter what. I work on YouTube through the night. I'm tired. The views don't come. But my will tells me, you want financial freedom? Then work. And I do it because my intention is clear. So don't think your will is weak. Strengthen it with your vision. When your vision is clear, your will automatically becomes powerful. And then you don't say, I'll do it tomorrow. You say, I'll do it now. So now you understand. I will do it tomorrow is not a personality trait. It's just a habit that forms when your vision isn't clear. You have energy inside you. You have will inside you. You just need to awaken it with your clear vision. When you know why you're doing it, when you know what your end goal is, then your brain doesn't say tomorrow. Then you will says, I will do it. I'll do it now. Take small steps. Make your work simple. But most importantly, keep your vision clear. Remember it every day. Visualize it. Because when vision is strong, will automatically become strong. And when will is strong, the concept of tomorrow just ends. So what will you do now? Will you say tomorrow again? Or will you start today? The choice is yours. But remember, successful people aren't those who make perfect plans. Successful people are those who take imperfect starts. Start now. Right now. Take your first small step. Because your future is waiting for you.